Hello! I'm Telmo. And I'm Tula. We're the Little Cooks. Today we're going to show you how to make a banana split.
Banana split?
Yes.
Why don't we make a steamed hat?
No, Telmo, it's better if we do the recipe for a banana split. A delicious dessert with a banana, caramel, whipped cream, and raspberry.
That's great. Does it have pepper?
No.
Why don't we make a steamed hat with pepper?
All right, Telmo, if you want, you can add pepper to your banana split.
All right. Let's make a fantastic banana split.
That's it. Paper and pencil, Telmo.
Oh, yeah. Paper and pencil. Ready.
I don't think you're going to be able to write anything with that.
Oops. All right, ready.
Good. Okay then. Now to make a banana split, we need bananas,
Whipped cream,
cherries,
almonds,
caramel syrup,
raspberry syrup.
and vanilla ice cream.
Great. Now we can get started.
We're going to make 2 portions, Telmo. You can make yours and I'll make mine.
All right.
To begin with, we'll get 2 flat bowls.
2 bowls. Got it.
Good. And now we'll grab cans of whipped cream and carefully spray a good base on the bottom of the bowl, covering it completely. Telmo, be careful! Good, my little cooks. We've got this down pat. And now... What is it, Telmo?
Nothing. It's just that.
What?
There's something in your hair.
Is there something in my hair, friends? Telmo! Ah! Telmo, you shouldn't do these things.
So sorry. I just thought it was very funny.
All right, let's move on. When the base of the bowl is fully covered with delicious whipped cream, we add the bananas.
I think I'll add some pepper to mine. I want 2 bananas, 1 on each side.
You're too much, Telmo. You're not gonna eat that whole thing.
Of course I'll eat the whole thing.
All right, then I'm going to grab 2 as well.
It looks like a Viking boat.
Well, mine looks like... I don't know.
A canoe.
No, doesn't look like a canoe.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, now we put this yummy caramel syrup over the top.
I'm going!
Hey, me first though.
Oh, darn it. This is starting to look really good.
You'll see, it's a delicious dessert. Don't go overboard with the caramel. Good. Now we have to put the whipped cream between the 2 bananas because the ice cream is going on top.
That's it. I would add more, but I'm going to wait for the ice cream. Something wrong? Very funny.
Don't do that, Telmo.
It's delicious. Alright, so now what?
We'll put 3 scoops of ice cream on top of the whipped cream.
Alright. This is starting to look really...
delicious. And now we'll add the cherries, 1 on top of each scoop of ice cream. And then we'll pour raspberry syrup all over it. This dessert is very colorful, and it's also perfect for a hot summer day.
It's ready!
It has come out perfect, Telmo.
Yeah, and now what?
Well, now we'll add a few toasted almonds, which will give it a crunchy and yummy touch. And now comes the best part. Let's eat!
Yes!
But before we do, let's go over the ingredients that we've used.
Oh yeah, you're right. Ingredients for a banana split.
2 bananas, whipped cream, 3 cherries, toasted almonds, caramel syrup, raspberry syrup, and 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream.
It's delicious!
It's wonderful!
Do you think our grown-up will want some banana split?
Maybe he does.
Grown-up!
Do you want some banana split?